Hello, my name is Raymond Phillips, and I'm a third-year computer science student here at the University of Georgia. My partners on this project are Ebony Santos and Nick Reynolds. Our project consists of a virtual helicopter tour of what we consider to be the Vegas Strip. It does incorporate some of the iconic buildings on the Vegas Strip, as well as some of the elements that we created ourselves. The elements that we created are the poker chip, as well as the Ferris wheel that you will see later on in the video. The strip as a whole we downloaded from Google SketchUp. For this project we will be using the Xbox Kinect instead of items such as the PC Move or the Wiimote. I'm going to go ahead and get started right now by first calibrating with the Xbox Kinect. After I'm calibrated, as you can see, we already start our tour. The movements in this consist of, if I move my left hand across my body to the right of myself, it will move right. If I hold it out to the left, it will move left. If I hold it out backwards, the camera will pan backwards. And if I put my hand forward, it will move forward. Now, let's go ahead and move back a little bit, so that we can kind of get the overall view of the strip. As you know, Las Vegas, Nevada is basically a desert, so we kind of were glad that this model encompassed that. As you can see on your right, to your right, there is the Ferris wheel that we created, along with the poker chip that is buried underneath it. The Ferris wheel is animated through Ogre, as well as the shadow is we utilize through Ogre. Let's go ahead and take a trip down the strip. Give me one. To our right, you can see the Treasure Hotel, and then the Mirage Hotel. We were very fortunate and glad that it encompassed the water as well as the different textures of the building. As you can see on your right, there is the Mirage Hotel, and on your left, the Eiffel Tower. In addition to the Empire State Building to your right, and the amusement park to your right, the roller coaster. At the bottom of the screen, left-hand side of the screen, you will see the little balloon. And then down here on the right, you will see the Sphinx and the pyramid. So those are some of the iconic features of the Vegas Strip that we were glad to have in this virtual tour, helicopter tour. Now to the right, like I said earlier, Vegas is mostly desert, so we do have the desert. Just to make sure, the poker chip is buried underneath the Ferris wheel. We will make sure, as our upcoming projects come along, we want to expand on this and turn this into a game where you have to find the poker chip. Eventually, we will move it from underneath the Ferris wheel, but for this project, we just wanted a virtual tour. Let me go ahead and get closer to that so that you can see the poker chip underneath the Ferris wheel. It's that yellow and red that's located right underneath it. So, this is the premise of our project, is to basically just navigate through this virtual world and to kind of test the waters. This is our first project and we hope to build upon it. We do have the helicopter sound. I'm not sure if you noticed. Hopefully you did. We do have the helicopter sound playing in the background that goes along with the code. So give it that realism of, we are in a 3D virtual world. Thank you for viewing this video, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.